Is it possible if you increase the frequency and the energy of the mitochondrial DNA and the cellular structure of more than the billions of cells that human bodies have inside their bodies, that not only that they would eliminate all diseases, all cancers, all pollutants in their body, but they would also become more closely to the loving force, that they would reconnect to the loving force because all the antennas within the cell, the antennas that attach to love, the unconditional love that's in the universe, would reattach to that unlimited force. Going closer to the loving force, you would start to exhibit telepathy, empathy, clairvoyance, and telekinesis. But even more so, you would start to see different dimensions and different worlds. You'll be able to fly. You'll be able to do anything. It would be freedom. It would be total omniscience and omnipotence. So basically what I'm trying to say is something of quantum physics, of M theory and string theory, that these different dimensions exist. We just cannot access them because the individual cells in our body are not capable of doing this because the antennae are not connected to the loving force. Once we increase something simple as the mitochondrial DNA and it goes up and up and up in the power, then we will reconnect, and then you will see all the dimensions, and then we'll be able to travel to any dimension in any world through wormholes and through different frequencies, because once you become part of the loving force, all frequencies are accessible. And by the way, the Illuminati already know this. That's probably why they have the symbology of ancient Egypt. Their technology is far greater, alien technology back to the Sumerians. They know this. They know they've gone past quantum physics, string theory, multiple dimensions. And the Illuminati's plan is to basically kill off most of the planet's humans and enslave the rest and conquer them and to rule over them with an iron fist. But they will reconnect with this force, this loving force. I mean, that's why there's historical accounts of them being the shining ones, or the ones that you know, the whole halo and everything like that. So basically, the rest of humanity will be under slavery. Most of humanity will be in a zombie robotic mode. Most of humanity will be basically mediocre, disconnected from the loving force, and the Illuminati will be reconnected with the loving force. They'll have the power to travel into space to any planet. They'll be able to stop time, go forward in time, backward in time, in any time dimension. The Illuminati will be able to access any alien civilization. They will be able to have omniscience, omnipotence, and this is all the gifts of the living force. That's their plan. But anyways, I think that as far as the regular human civilization goes, the key is the mitochondrial DNA. The key is, and I don't know how many times I'll tell you this, is the key is the mitochondrial DNA. It is the antenna to reconnect with the loving force. The Illuminati already know this, but I'm telling you this little secret to the world.